Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking beef nilaga. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have olive oil, onions, garlic, plantain, potatoes, cabbage, string beans, carrots, hot chili. We have whole black pepper. We have bay leaves, salt, and we're gonna use also some fish sauce. We have already here the beef neck and beef chunk, which we already boiled, and we use our pressure cooker. So this will be real easy to cook now. Probably the next 10 or 15 minutes this will be done. So let's do it. In our pot here, we will put some oil. Now we'll put our onions. We put our onions already. And let's saute this for 1 minute. Now let's put some garlic. Cook this for 30 seconds. Let's add some fish sauce, probably 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And we can add now our beef. Okay. Give it a good stir. And then we'll add our beef stock. Okay. All right. Let's add a couple of bay leaves. And whole peppercorn. And this time we can add also our potatoes. Okay. All right. Just let's cover it and let it boil for 5 minutes. Okay. Let's add our carrots. String beans. Cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now let's check it. It's boiling now. So let's put our jalapeño. And our plantain. Oh, I can smell it now. Tastes really good now. Just the smell, you know. Okay, cover it again. Now, let's check our beef. Wow, it looks good. And this time we're gonna put our cabbage. And we're gonna let it simmer for another 2 minutes. And this should be done. Here is our finished product. Beef Nilaga. Let's uncover it. Wow. This tastes really good. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.